I'm Brad Shamble with Saskark Equipment Group, one of the leading sales and rental providers of heaters, generators, light towers, pumps, air compressors, and safe access equipment solutions in Western Canada. Here we have the Eco Chamber. It's a 25,000 litre tank, double walled, 100% integral contained. Rating on is a ULC S60107, which will meet or exceed all regulatory requirements. On here we have LED explosion proof lighting. We've got the switches, which are also explosion proof, to turn on and off the 3/4 horsepower high flow pump, which pumps at a capacity of 237 liters per minute. We also have the 1.25" high Arctic hose and high flow nozzle, vent stack, which gets installed at site, meter, filter, so that'll cover all your pumping requirements. Over on the right hand side of the tank here is the high hose retriever. Keeps your hose off the ground, reduces any trip hazards. We've got the skid with bollards for added safety, grating, galvanized so you don't get any rusting. So we've got the skid base too, which will allow it to be either loaded with the lugs up top or winched on with a winch tractor. So you can access any site with it, remote or urban. As you can see, the Eco Chamber comes with heavy duty saddles, complete with repads. Protects itself during transport. We also have a bottom end load for remote filling, which allows the semi to pull up, cam lock onto this, and it'll remote fill the tank so you don't have to access the ladder or the top of the tank. So one of the big features with the bottom end load is it comes with a spill protection. It also comes with a one-way check valve and an anti-siphon hole, which will prevent theft. Inside the tank that's connected to the piping on the bottom end load is a overfill protection valve. So that tank will fill up to a certain level and it'll slam a valve shut, which will stop the tank from overfilling. To summarize the benefits of the Eco Chamber, you have high volume storage, you're able to save on bulk fuel purchases, you've got a high flow pump reducing your time for fill, and most important of all, it meets all safety and environmental regulations. Thanks for joining us for the product demo of the Eco Chamber. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call at 1-800-667-5155 or please visit www.saskark.com for more information on the full range of products we carry.